Assalamualaikum, I'm Mahmoud Abdullah. I'm from Maldives and I'm a current Perkasa Flight School student. After high school, I have been working in aviation since then, and all my job has been in the aviation industry. So my fondness for aircraft has grown since then, and that's why I want to be a pilot. I knew about Perkasa Flight School from social media while I was searching for a flight school to do my training. I chose Perkasa Flight School because of the flying hours it's included in the syllabus, as it has more than 200 hours of actual flight. My first impression has been pretty good since the students and the instructors has been pretty helpful in adjusting me to the environment and to the school as well. And especially Sharfina and Jody, they have been very helpful in the school facilities like simulator, the school dorm. They are pretty good.